Gwerin Gwallgo is a 4-day residential youth course where the young people have an opportunity to learn about traditional Welsh music. It's very practical. There are workshops in all sorts of instruments, fiddles, guitar, harp, whistles and things like that, as well as clog dancing workshops and singing as well. It's just beautiful here. We're overlooking the lake Llyn Tegid and the hills and mountains that surround this residential centre, so it really adds to the creative atmosphere that's here. We've got such an amazing bunch of tutors teaching at Gwerin Gwallgo this year. All of them are professional musicians and working around Wales and internationally, so it's amazing for the young people to be able to learn from these people.
I'm Patrick Rhymes. I'm a freelance musician from Bethesda, and on this Gwerin Gwallgo course I was coaching the fiddle group. We covered all sorts of different things. We looked at music from Scandinavia, we did a few Breton dance tunes. We also had a bit of a chance to sort of chat about the mechanics of practice and how we sort of go about practicing and trying to improve our playing as well.
Gwenan Gibard ydw i. Dwi yn chwarae'r delyn a dwi hefyd yn canu, a dwi wedi bod yn dysgu dosbarth telyn yma ar y cwrs a hefyd dosbarth ensemble. Mae'r ymateb wedi bod yn wych yn y nosbarth fi, mae rai fi ddweud, ond gan bawb yma dwi'n meddwl mae yna gymaint o frwdfrydedd yma. Maen nhw'n dysgu'n ofnadwy a sydyn.
Opportunities like this are so important in that you can come and meet other young people and learn these traditions and keep them alive.
Fi di Moglen a dwi'n chwarae gitar, telyn a canu. Nes i fwynhau fel gwneud band efo ffrindiau fi a jamio.
Fi wastad i canu stwff Gwerin, ond mae canu pobl o'r un oedran, o'r un safon, mae fe'n sy'n greit. Mae'n stwff fel hwn wastad yn newid agwedd pobl, mae fe'n agor drysau pobl a maen nhw'n gweld fod mae canu stwff Gwerin ddim yn rhywbeth, ddim yn cool, mae'n jyst yn ysgol, mae'n jyst yn boring. Na, mae'n greit, mae'n exciting, mae'n bywiog a mae'n amazing.
If you're thinking of taking part in the course, I wouldn't hesitate about it really, because whether you've played folk music or not, it's an opportunity just to play music with your peers in a totally informal and fun environment.
As with all kinds of music making, you know, the more people you get involved, then the whole thing snowballs, and it will just turn into even more of a good thing.